the embers of our love, a flicker still remains, a fragile flame that struggles amidst the pouring rains. We once held hands so tightly, our hearts beat as one. But now the distance grows and our love is nearly done. Oh, the last flame flickers, dancing in the breeze. A fading ember, a love that's on its knees. We try to rekindle the warmth we once knew, but the fire's dying slowly and the embers turn to blue. The memories we cherish, like photographs we hold, of moments we once shared when our love was strong and bold. But time has taken its toll, and the pages start to turn. Our love story's ending as the final chapters burn. The last flame flickers, dancing in the breeze. A fading ember, a love that's on its knees. We try to rekindle the warmth we once knew, but the fire's dying slowly and the embers turn to blue. We hold on to each other with a desperate embrace, but the love that once ignited has slowly lost its grace. The tears we try to hide are falling like the rain as we watch our love diminish and slowly